Welcome to Renew Your Recipe Studio. This is 10 Tree Powerhouse Series, your go-to place to explore everyday kitchen essentials. Today, we're diving into the story of the golden liquid, aka olive oil. So buckle up, you'll never see that bottle on your counter the same way again. Let's begin. From drizzling over crisp salads to sizzling in hot pans, olive oil is everywhere in our kitchens. But how did this golden liquid become such a staple in the first place? Let's hop in our time machine and travel back thousands of years to discover its legendary roots. In ancient times, olive oil was more than food. It was treasured. The Egyptians used it as a beauty elixir. The Greeks crowned their champions with olive wreaths. And the Romans? They practically lived by it, cooking, healing, and even lighting their homes. But how exactly does this ancient treasure make its way from the tree to your table? It all begins with the humble olive tree. The olives are handpicked with care, then crushed and pressed in traditional mills. What emerges is pure golden oil, liquid gold, ready to nourish. And not all olive oils are created equal. There's extra virgin, and pure, each with its own flavor, use, and quality. Extra virgin is the freshest and most nutrient-rich. Virgin still keeps it natural, though slightly less intense. And pure? It's usually refined and neutral, great for everyday cooking. But beyond flavor, olive oil has some powerful perks for your body too. This golden oil is loaded with healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. It's a heart helper, a brain booster, and even a glow-up for your skin. Let's zoom into what's inside that bottle. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, the kind your body loves. It also delivers a good dose of vitamin E, helping your cells stay strong and energized. Think of it as fuel with flavor. And its magic doesn't stop at health. It's a global culinary star. Olive oil never went out of style. From Mediterranean salads to Spanish tapas to Middle Eastern dips, it's everywhere. No matter the country, this oil adds flavor, culture, and character to the dish. So how should you use it in your kitchen? Use extra virgin oil for finishing and raw drizzling. It shines when uncooked. For moderate heat cooking, go for regular or pure olive oil. And always store it in a cool, dark place to keep it fresh. Now here's what not to do with olive oil. Don't crank up the heat. Olive oil's benefits fade when overheated, and nobody wants smoke in the kitchen. Stick to gentle heat, and your dishes and your health will thank you. So what's the takeaway from this golden journey? With ancient roots and a future in every kitchen, olive oil is truly timeless. It nourishes, heals, and brings flavor to life, one drizzle at a time. So go ahead, grab that bottle, and cook up something both healthy and delicious tonight. That's all for today's Pantry Powerhouse story. Want more tasty tales and kitchen wisdom? Subscribe so you never miss a delicious drop. See you next bite! This story was brought to life by Renew Your Recipe Studio, where good food meets good stories.